How to use Uniswap with Trust Wallet. So if you want to actually use Uniswap with Trust Wallet over here, so let me just go ahead and then enter my PIN first of all. Open the Trust Wallet or launch the app. Access the Discover option that you can find over here. Now over here you want to simply search for Uniswap. Now if you don't usually find it, you can always tap on the search bar and then type in Uniswap as you would be able to find here. And once you go ahead and search for Uniswap or other options that are actually available over here, you'll be able to see the Connect Wallet option. Now sometimes it could be written as other options like PancakeSwap or something like that, but you'll find the Uniswap option here as well in the Discover the app section. And once done, you'll be able to select that and connect your wallet. Now currently in my case in the featured section it's not available, but in your case it could be available depending upon how long your account or the verification process is. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.